So it's been a little bit since I came to you guys with a UV printer video. I've just been so busy, it's been just kind of sitting there. But after a month, I've fired it back up, and here we go. We're working on this next project. Hey, what's up guys? Just wanted to bring to you a quick video today on UV printing lenticular cards, or whatever you want to make with it, but I found making like little trading cards with these works so well, and it's so easy to do. I wanted to bring this to you guys as soon as I could. This isn't gonna be a long video. This is actually something super easy, but I wanted to get it to you guys as soon as I can. Super easy to do, so cool, so fun to make. Let's get into it.
Okay, so setting this up is super simple. We're just gonna go to this website. I'll have it linked below in the description. Go to choose files. We're gonna select both of these, control click and open. And then we wanna put in our sizing. So for the width, we want 101.6 and 152.4 for the height and the width, because it's a 6x4. Let me double check my math on that real quick. Yes. All right. LPI, I put that at 25. We'll just leave this alone. We'll leave this alone. And then you can choose orientation, whether you want vertical stripes or horizontal stripes. So we're going to go with vertical for this one. I haven't messed with these yet. That'll be something I can play around with. Let's, we're going to stick with sign on this one, and then we're going to generate. And then once it's done with that, we have our download interlaced PNG, download depth map. So we're going to download both of these, open up the interlaced image into iMakeStuff. So now we're just going to add our height map. So now we have our height map in there, and that's going to create all these vertical strips. So now we want to go down here. 2.5 is way too tall for this, so let's drop it down to 0.8. And I'm going to bump that contrast up a little bit because I find the Make prints pretty dark for me. Alright, so now it's brought in our image of the bed, and it's got that on there. So now we're just going to drag this and put that onto there. Got it. And now it is perfectly matched up with our card. And let's print. Oh, never mind. Inject ink first. Okay, I'll return in a moment. Okay, and we're back. Let's go print. And here we go. And here we are, all finished up. Let's take a look.
Wow.
So cool. Let's go to better lighting. All right, so let's check this out. We got our card here. Depending on your angle, we can see it works great. It's so cool looking. And to be able to do these for whatever sport or whatever purpose, I mean, you think about Little League, you think about jiu-jitsu, karate, it's really endless what all you could create with this. So many possibilities, and it's so cool. It works so well. Being able to UV print and make these is just amazing. Have a laser? Super easy way to do that. Just cut them out of wood, print onto them, and you're rolling. Here's another one I made just for fun. Little bit dark for this use, but it was fine for this. Just a goofy little card.
So being able to make these has been so much fun. It's so easy to do. And the customization options are endless. All kinds of possibilities for these, and if you have a laser 3D printer, then you can make your blanks. I also have links down below for the files for this, so that way you guys can print it up if you have a 3D printer. If you don't have a 3D printer, I'll have links below to where you can actually purchase these from me. But you should really get a 3D printer. They're a lot of fun, and they match so well with a UV printer. So do lasers. Either way, you can make awesome blanks to UV print on. So yeah, making these was a lot of fun. I had a great time making them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a short one, not a whole lot to it. I didn't really want to stretch out a video about this in 10 minutes long. And I think we covered all the bases. If you have any questions, let me know down below. I think you guys will have a lot of fun with this one. To me, this is a great use of a UV printer. UV printing really unlocks so many more possibilities that you can do with, say, a laser or a 3D printer. This just adds that next level, and I love doing this. All right, fellow nerds, I'll see you in the next one.